Hello, welcome to another Excel 101. Okay, so um, today I want to discuss the simple tricks to transpose the data, but the formula still doesn't change. So, for example, I have a group of data here. So the formula is equals to um, data 2. So I'm just getting the data here, the group of data here. I want to um, look up the data here. So I just copy and paste. So it moves. So for the um, D5, cell D5, it equals to M5. So in E5, it equals to um, N5. So it's just a simple formula, for example only. So what I'm gonna do is, how can I copy this group of um, data to vertically paste here? So um, if you copy this and transpose it here, transpose, the formula will be moved. So in here equals to M5, but the formula here is was moved. So it's not working. So or um why can't we just equals and then select here, then copy and paste here? No, it didn't work like that because um our data here is horizontal. So you can do it if your design data is horizontal only. So the M5 is working, but the proceeding data is vertical. So it's not working that way. Um, what I need to tell you is we can just this simple tricks is just to copy and transpose the formula, but it doesn't change. So let's go. First, you need to highlight the entire group and then Control H for the replacement and type equals, then number sign, then equals, replace all. Okay, so um, copy again this group, then select here, then transpose the data, and then select again this whole group, then Control H. Now um, type um, number sign, then equals, then equals in replace with type equals, then replace all. That's it. The formula is now don't didn't change. So that's the simple trick in copying the formula without changing, uh, copying the cell with formula without changing the formula. So that's a simple trick. Okay, thank you.